Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, The Effort Gardener. It is kind of getting close to being like mid-July, and so I wanted to show you guys what type of pest that you're going to start seeing in your garden right now. So let's just get into it. Basically, it's just pest city. Like at this point, all my brassicas are gone. I don't have any leafy green things that I'm growing because they just wouldn't survive. And so the first pest that I want to show you guys is this guy. Let me get a little closer. Let me see. This is a tomato hornworm. As you can see, they love tomatoes. They love tomato plants, but they also like dill, pepper plants, and tomatillo plants, because I just found one. I hadn't been seeing them until yesterday, but I knew that they were coming. Sorry. I knew that they were coming, and so what I usually do is I'll just take them and I'll feed them to my chickens. My chickens enjoy them. And yeah, that you will mainly find them on your tomato plants, but you can also find them on your pepper plants and other plants. They really love them, and they can be a varying color. Like this one is kind of a light green, but they can also be kind of dark green and a bluish kind of color, because I've seen all that. So I'm just gonna take him. Oops, he fell. I'm just gonna take him. And I used to be super scared of them because of the horn on the back, but the horn doesn't actually do anything. It's not gonna hurt you. So I just take them and I'm gonna walk them over to the happy girls. They know what's coming. Hey guys. They know what's coming. And so I just toss them to them and then they eat them. And that's basically all that I do with them. I did get one to put in a jar just to kind of see what they do, but that one, if you ever find one that looks like it has white coming out of it, just leave it alone. You can just take it off of your plant and set it to the side because it's already gonna die. Okay, so if you ever see that, they're already on their way out the door. So another pest that you should definitely look out for, you will find on the underside of your squash. If you have squash plants that you're growing this year, you want to look on the underside of the leaves. This is a squash bug, and those right there are squash bug eggs. I don't know what the ant is doing. I'm kind of confused, but she's actually in the process of laying the eggs. And so right after she get done, she's gonna get removed, and so are the eggs. Whenever you're looking at your squash, this is what you want to look for. This is what you want to look for. Usually they're on the underside of the leaf, but in a crazy way, she's laying the eggs on top. But whenever you're looking for the squash eggs, the squash bug eggs, excuse me, you want to look on the underside of the leaf. The next pest that I want to discuss, I have already spotted because they get on my nerves. And you probably already know what they are. If you look inside here, right there, that is a Japanese beetle. Now, I also just removed those by hand, and I even put them in a jar full of soapy water, or I'll just feed them to my chickens. And you can find those on, if you're growing sunflowers, you can find them on your sunflowers or just on any plants. They kind of buzz around, they make a whole lot of noise, and they're just kind of annoying. But you'll definitely be finding them right now, especially, can't get it out. Where'd it go? I was trying to take it out. But I especially find them on my sunflowers. And so if you're growing sunflowers, definitely keep an eye out. And like I said, you can get rid of those by just plucking them off and putting them in a jar of soapy water. The next pest I cannot even find. I've been looking for it for quite a minute now and I cannot find it. But I will insert a picture so you guys can see what it looks like. These plants right here are my Armenian long cucumbers. As you can see, they're kind of trailing up this trellis that I made. and you'll find them on the flowers and on the stems of your cucumber plants. This is actually my second planting of cucumber because my first one just got taken out like at the beginning of the season. I thought that it was just lightning bugs. I thought they were just like baby lightning bugs for a minute until I realized the damage that they were doing to the first round of cucumbers that I had. But it's called a cucumber beetle, and they look just like a lightning bug but a little bit smaller, and they have a yellow stripe. And so you're gonna find those on the leaves, on the flowers of your cucumber plants. Oh, there's one. This is what they look like. As you can see, you can find them inside the flowers, and they're very hard to spot. But they are distinctive from lightning bugs because they have that orange and it has like a double yellow stripe. But this is a cucumber beetle. And so whenever I see them, I just pick them off and dispose of them. Because what they'll do, they'll eat away at this here, and then like the whole stem will fall off if there's a large population of them on your plants. So you want to make sure that you kind of keep an eye out for them. And see, just like that, here's another one. Where'd it go? I said I couldn't find one. Then I messed around and found two. So I just picked them off and just take them off before they really do any damage. Now, I did find a home remedy for these, but I got the ingredients wrong because it called for soap and water, but I think I added too much soap and it was too hot, and so I almost destroyed my plants. Look at this. And so I haven't done anything else. I haven't done anything else to them because I was scared of just completely losing my cucumber plants. So I haven't done anything else to try to remedy them, and so all I do is I just pick them off whenever I see them. Last but not least, I wanted to show you guys this amazing sunflower. You guys, look at this. I'm not even sure. It's early morning, so I'm not even sure that this will give it justice, but look how beautiful she is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.